So ne means mother, right? Literal translation of the word ne means mother. And ka means like better than, greater than. It's like a superlative, you know, just better than, exceedingly better. You just kind of put that at the end of certain words to show that you know, the word that precedes it is great, or something that's desired, or something that's good, right? So when you put those meanings, you put that meaning together, neka means mothers are great, or motherhood is amazing, motherhood is special, right? So that's the reason, for obvious reasons, that's why I gave her that name, because her mother realized what a precious gift and an amazing gift and an amazing responsibility and opportunity and gift to the world that motherhood is. So that's why I'm giving her the name Neka. And Neka, or Karina, has a child of her own too. So